National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Southeastern Arlington County in Northern Virginia, Northeastern Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, until 7:30 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Huntington, Lincolnia, Lake Barcroft, Jefferson Manor, Barcroft, Bailey's Crossroads. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Northwestern District of Columbia, Southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, Northwestern Arlington County in northern Virginia, Northeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North Bethesda or over Rockville and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Rockville, Bethesda, Olney, Plymouth Hills, McLean, Howard University, American Legion Bridge, Fort Totten, Aspen Hill, Potomac, North Bethesda, North Potomac, Fairland, Tyson's Corner, White Oak, Redland, Tacoma Park, Great Falls, and Colesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service